Assalamu alaikum. I am Kamrul Hassan from Gopalpur High School. I am presenting a class on behalf of Kalokhali Upazila online class. So dear student, hope that you are staying at home safely. There is no scope to take our regular class, so I try to take a class. Hope that you will follow the class, and if you follow, you will surely benefit it. So thank you. Dear learners, have you heard the name of Pulon Sarkar? Okay. Pulon Sarkar is a book lover. He lives in a village in Bausha in Rajshahi. It is near the Padma. He buys book and lend it to the villagers. The villagers can understand that it is a good habit to read book, and in this way, this old man Pulon Sarkar is trying to change his society positively. Okay, dear student, do you know anybody in your village who is like Pulon Sarkar? Okay. We know there are a lot of people in our country who are trying to change our society positively, who wants to do something good for the society. So thank you. Our today's lesson is a man who loves trees. A man who loves trees. So dear student, please open your book at page 50. You also take exercise book and pencil. If there are any necessaries, you must note down the main points. So thank you. Dear student, there are some keywords here. The first one is profession. Profession. It is noun. The meaning of it, occupation. So it is the main business of a man who, by which he can earn his livelihood. Okay. Sapling. Sapling is also noun. The meaning of sapling is seedling. We can say it the tender tree. Tender tree. Passion. Passion. It is also noun. The meaning of passion is favor. Sorry. VOR. Okay. And then zygotic. It is adjective. The meaning of gigantic is extremely large. Extremely large. And the last one is mission. Last one is mission. The meaning of mission is task or assignment. Okay, dear student, you can write it on your notebook. Please write it. Okay, I hope that you have already finished it. Now, dear student, follow your text. I am going through it. At the farthest corner of Bangladesh, there is a village called Tarapur. In this village, there lives a man named Kartik Paraman. He is a hairdresser by profession, but a nature lover at heart. His profession is to plant saplings which grow into gigantic trees. Started planting trees when he was only 10 years old. He remembers that his father once told him, "My son, you can earn the blessing of God by planting trees." He was never forgotten what his father told him. At present, he is 63 years old. He has planted hundreds of trees in his village. Many of the trees are now 35 to 40 years old. Once there were hardly any trees in this village. Kartik used to go to different houses for his job. At times, he would get tired in the scorching sun, but there are no trees under which he could sit and rest for a while. Thinking how people suffer in the heat, Kartik began his tree planting mission. Occasionally, Kartik would wake up early in the morning, take one or two laborers with him, and set out to plant trees. He would walk long distance to plant trees, carrying with him some dry food and water. He would pay all the expenses from his own pocket. Kartik has planted trees beside the roads, in and around the bazaar, schools and colleges, open fields, and many other places. At times, it so happened that Kartik would go to water his plants at 10 or 11 p.m. People asked him, "Kartik, are you mad? What are you doing so late at night?" Kartik would smile and say, "What to do, sir? I have to work hard the whole day to earn money for my family. I don't get time during the day, but my trees would die if I don't water them. So I come late at night to look after them." Even today, this old man continues planting trees as many as he can. A man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around the nature. Dear student, we have finished reading. I hope that you already have understand the topic. Now, please open your book at page 51. In section B, there are 4 true false. Please write it on your khata. Okay, dear student, hope that you have already finished. Please check your answer. He planted the first tree 50 years ago. Is it true or false? Okay, dear student, it is false. He planted the first tree 53 years ago. Dear student, follow the whiteboard. At first, we have to write the answer false, and then we have to write the correct answer below false. Is it clear? Okay. Number 2, Kartik borrowed money from other to plant trees. Okay, it is also false. Kartik himself spent money to plant trees. Okay, thank you. Number 3, he would plant trees around his heart only. It is also false. He would plant trees beside the roads, in and outside the bazaar, schools and colleges, open fields and many other places. Okay, dear student, number 4. At times Kartik would water his trees at night because he felt lazy during the day. Yes, it is also false. The correct answer is Kartik became busy to earn money for his livelihood at daytime, so he went to. So Kartik would water his trees at night time. Okay, dear student, in section C, there are some multiple questions. Please write the answer in your notebook first. Okay, dear student, hope that you have already finished. Now, please check it. Kartik was a dash by profession: cultivator, tree planter, day laborer, hairdresser. Yes, the answer is Kartik was a hairdresser by profession. Okay, the second one is his mission is to make the village green by cultivating paddy in the field, growing grass in all the foreland, planting fodder for the cattle, planting many trees. Okay, dear student, the answer is number D. His mission is to make the village green by planting many trees. Okay, dear student, Number 3. Some of Kartik's trees are big and dash. Great, gigantic, enormous, kingly. Okay, dear student, the answer is some of Kartik's trees are big and gigantic. Okay, number 4. Some of his trees are dash years old. 15 to 20, 25 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. Yes, some of his trees are 35 to 40. Okay, dear student, in section B, there are 4 questions. Please write down its answer on your notebook, please. Okay, dear student, I hope that you have already finished reading the answer. Now, please check your answer. I am trying to take the probable answer of the question. Who is Kartik Paramani? Okay, Kartik Paramani is a hairdresser by profession but nature lover in heart. Is it correct? Okay. Dear student, how do you understand that he is a nature lover? How do you understand that he is a nature lover? Okay. Dear student, he is nature lover because his passion is to plant trees to make the nature greener. Is it? Okay, dear student, why did he plant trees? Why? Kartik Paramani planted trees for 2 reasons. One was his father told him that planting trees is the blessing of God. And the second one is when he went to different houses for his professional purpose, he faced the difficulties in the scorching sun, and he could realize that the trees can shade us in this scorching sun. Is it? Okay, dear students. And the last one is, what do you understand by saying a man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around in nature? Dear student, we know that man is live on his activities or deeds or his activities for the society. Kartik Paramani perhaps was a illiterate or hardly can sign his name, but he planted a lot of trees in his village, which is carrying his best symbol of his activities. So he can hardly sign his name, but he has already put his signature on the nature by planting trees. Is it? Okay, dear student. Now, please write it. Write a biography of a great man in your village. So dear student, it is your homework. Please write it on your notebook. You have to write a biography of a great man in your village. You have to write the name, profession, age, passion, and his deeds for the society. So, thank you, dear student. We will meet the another class and hope that you will follow the class and share it with your friends. And I also request the honorable guardians, please take care of your child. And thank you, dear student. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you very much.